I know. You're going to teach us how you do them so fast. I know.
Okay, so now this time, what you're going to do is I'm going to slap the targets together once. Okay, the person who's at the back is going to start doing any hand techniques they want, but you have to be at a 10. So on a scale of 1 to 10, it's got to be a 10. You got to be really powerful. Go in there, you got to key up really loud, like every single move. Okay? Pretend that this is somebody who's attacking you, and you're just getting them back. All right, so you need to do some really nice hand techniques. Then, when you hear the second slap, you're going to run down, touch the counter, and then run back to the end of your line. Okay? So that goes for everybody. So for each person, you will hear 2 slaps. Yes, ma'am.
That like you're running away from the person's hat.
Exactly. So you're defending yourself. You're doing some hand